Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to prepare a simple recipe for our breakfast. So we are preparing chapati Rolex. So I'm going to use my 2 eggs. I have my onions, 2 smokies, tomatoes. Yeah, so I'm going to beat these until they are well mixed. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Guys, this is a simple recipe that you can prepare in your house in the morning. For my chapatis, these are leftovers. I just kept them in my fridge, so I'm going to reuse them. So if you have a mixer, you can use it, but today I'm going to use my fork. This will make my eggs to be fluffy. Let's add a little bit of salt and then we start the preparation. The pan is super hot, so I'm going to add some oil. A little bit of oil, and then I'll add my egg. Flip our egg on the other side to see whether it's cooked. Wow. And please don't overcook your eggs. Same pan to cook our onions. So you just add very little amount of oil. This is a very simple recipe to do in the morning, a nice concoction for your breakfast. We are not overcooking our onions. you want them as crunchy as they are. At this point, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Onions are ready, so at this point, I'm going to use the same pan to warm my chapatis and my 2 smokies. Here we go. So I'm going to lay one of my chapatis down there. Then I'm going to go in with my eggs. At this point, I have to slice. To lay my 1 chapati down there. Go in with my eggs. I'm then going to add my smokies, my 2 smokies. You can put them as you want. My 2 smokies. I'm then going to add my onions. Go in with my onions. Something I forgot, you can also add some spices to your onions if you want to. But for me, I want it like this. Then go in with my tomatoes. If you don't want the tomatoes, you can do away without it. 2 of them are enough. Let me add another one. Here, a little bit of salt on top for the tomatoes. Remember, the onions have salt. My eggs also have salt. This is a nice concoction for the morning. Then I'm going to go with my other chapo out here. A nice burger for chapatis. So I'm going to slice this into 2 and you see the end result. Guys, please subscribe to my channel.